Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Wendy Jerry. So guys, today I'm going to be doing Mannequin tripod unboxing. So guys, before we head straight to the video, if it's your first time coming across this beautiful channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, turn on notification post to be the first person to get notified when I post a lit new video. So guys, let's head straight into the video. So yeah, I sit like this. This is thick. This is thick, guys. This is how you tighten it. This is okay. Let's just try to set it up first. This is the tripod stand. This is thick, guys. This is thick. Look at this. It goes like this. You have to open here like this. This is hard, guys. Okay, it's in. You see? Put it in as deep as you want. Hold it out a little bit, and then you can tighten it like this. Voila! So now we have the stand, and then we can go with this. Oh, okay, this is inside. Okay. Screw it in. Okay. Okay. If you want it to be super tight, you have to tighten here, and it will be super tight and strong. If you want it to be not too tight, you loosen. How you, the control is here. If you want it to be not be too tight, and if you want it to be tight, you just screw it like this. Now let's get our mannequin head and try this out. I've gotten our mannequin head. Ooh. I guess I want it to be tight. You guys see that? Don't worry, I'll give you guys a full look. Ooh. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.